morning, myself Tulsi Sharma. Today we will discuss about animal kingdom all example because it is very important to competency examination. Okay, as like NEET. Okay, because examples are most important in the NEET examination because I can expect that 20 to 25 questions are coming from the 11 12 all NCRTs, bio NCRTs. Okay, now we will discuss about, first we will discuss about porifera. In porifera there are three examples are there. Second, another name is Shifla, and second is Spongula, freshwater spongy, Euspongia, bath sponge. Okay, now we will discuss about Coelenterata. In another word we can tell this is Cnidaria. In the case of Coelenterata, there are five examples are there. First is Fasciola, orthogods of Manoir. Second is Admetia, sea anemone. Third is Panicula, sea pen. Fourth is Corguria, sea pen. Okay, and five is Manembrina, this means brain color. In the case of now, third is Ctenophora. In the Ctenophora there is two examples are there, Pyrobrachia and Ctenopiana. Okay, and in the Platyhelminthes there are two examples are there, Tinea, that is tapeworm, another name is, and second is Fasciola, and another name is liverpool. Okay, now we will discuss about Escalhelminthes examples, and in Escalhelminthes are three examples are there. Ascaris, it means round worm, and Boucheria, it means Filaria worm, and Cyclostoma, it means hookworm. And in the case of Annelida, there are three examples are there. First is Nereis, second is Ferretima, in another name is earthworm, and third is Herodina and blood-sucking leech. Okay, now we will discuss it is a next phylum is Arthropoda, and its phylum is very longest phylum. Okay, longest phylum is Arthropoda. In Arthropoda there are many examples are there. First we will discuss about it is most important to know that. Okay, first is the example is Apis, in another name is honeybee. Okay, and second example is silkworm, bombex, and another name is silkworm. Okay, third example is Lecifer, its another name is lac insect. Okay, now we will discuss about vector. In the case of the vector, there are Anopheles, Fulix, Aedes mosquito are there. Now we will discuss about this gregarious. Gregarious pest means leucos. Okay, and living fossils means king crabs are there, lemnos are king crabs are there. In the case of mollusca, I need some water because okay, wait some 5 minutes. Now we will discuss about mollusca. In the case of mollusca, there are many examples there, and I will discuss one by one. Okay, first is Phyla. Its another name is Phyla. Another name is okay. First is Phyla, and its another name is apple snail. Second is Pinctada, in another name is Pierre Austral, and third is Shipia, its another name is cuttlefish, and fourth is Luligo, that's another name is squid, and fifth is octopus, then its another name is devilfish, and next name is Aplasia, its another name is sea hare, and another name is turk shell, in another name dentium, its another name is turk shell, and last is Camelocladon is another name is chiton. But I tell last word, but it is I am some things forgetting there, and its last word is very complicated to tell that, and that thing is that. Okay, now we will discuss about a Echinodermata example. In Echinodermata there are 4 or 5 are examples are there, and its example is very important to know that. Okay, first example, what is the first example? Asterias means starfish, Echinus means a sea ancient, Apteron means sea lily, Cucumberia, in Cucumberia means sea cucumber, and last is Euphorbia means star beetle. Okay, in last example is Chordata, I'm sorry, Hemichordata. What is the examples are in? There's 2 examples are there. Velenoglassi, Sacoglassi. In the case of the chordata, there are two or examples are there. What are two examples are there? There are Urochordate and Cephalochordate. Urochordates example is SAD. SAD. S means cephala, A means ascarides, and D means dodiolam. And in the case of second cephalochordate, there are examples are there. Blainostromata, its another name is Amphioxus lenticel. Now we will discuss about classes are there, and first classes. What is the first classes? First classes is cyclostomata. Okay, now we will discuss what is a cyclostomata. Cyclostomata is classes are there. There are cyclostomata is a classes. Okay, now its example is petromycin, and another name is lamprey, and another is one example is there maxine, and another example is hagfish. Okay, now we will discuss about Ophiocytes. What is the example of Ophiocytes? There are very impulsive examples are there, and it is very complicated. Okay, but you should try to understand what is this, and you should try to understand because it is very important, you know that. Okay, examples are matter that in this examination because actual I can tell that examples are most important that because NCERT lines are coming in the examination. So you should want to not read NCERT, you should want to not memorize NCERT, but you should want to learn all the line by line because you can memorize all the things. Okay, now we will discuss about chondrocytes examples. What is the chondrocytes example? First is Scoliodon. Scoliodon means another name is stockfish. Okay, and second is Petris. Okay, and its another name is sawfish. Okay, and Carcharodon is another name is great shark. Great shark. Okay, and last is Trigon, and another name is Straclet. Okay, and now we will discuss about Osteichthyes, and its another name. In the case of Osteichthyes, there are three classes are there. First is fresh, first is marine, second is fresh, third is aquarium. Okay, aquarium is we are take a tank and how fish are there, and we are culture the fish. Okay, first we will discuss about in the case of aquarium, marine. Marine, there are two examples there. Exocytes in another name is flying fish, and Hippocampus is another name is seahorse. Now we'll discuss about freshwater fish. Labia means roha, Katla means katla, and Claris matlab mongoor. It is freshwater. And what is marine water? In the case of marine water, there are two examples are there. First is I'm forwarding something. Yes, 1 second, I'm remaining. Yes, first is Petrophyllum. It's another name is an angelfish. First example is this, and I'm saying that beta. I'm sorry because I forget this example, and I will never forget this example again and again. Okay, beta means flighting fish. Okay, now we will discuss about amphibia. In the case of amphibia, there are many examples that there. Before means Dodo. Okay, Rana means frog, Hyla means tree frog, salamander means salamander, and Ichthyocytes means limbless amphibia. Okay, in the case of reptile, we will discuss about the first is chameleon. Chelone. Chelone is turtle, Testudo means tortoise, Testudo means tortoise, and chameleon means tree lizard. Okay, and Clalots means garden lizard. Crocodilus means crocodilus. Alligator means alligator. Hemidactylus means wall lizard. Okay, and we will there are three examples are there. Poisonous is snakes example. Naza means cobra. Bungarus matlab carrot, viper matlab vipra. Okay, now we will discuss about reptiles. In the case of reptiles, there are Crobus means crow. Okay, Columba means pigeon. Pisticula means parrot. Or stereo means ostrich. Pau means peacock. Aptenodytes means penguin, and nephron means vulture. Okay, now we will discuss a mammal example. In the mammal example, there are two cases are coming. First example is Hemidactylus. I'm sorry, Mr. Baghetti. There are two examples are coming here. First is, what is first? Oviparous and viviparous. Oviparous, what is the meaning of oviparous? In the case of oviparous, there are they give जो अंडे ओवी बच्चे दे जो अंडे पैदा करते हैं उस समय ओविपैरस कहते हैं. विविपैरस किस तरह जो बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. Okay, now we'll there is only one examples are there in the case of egg. Okay, first is ornithocaisa. Its another name is platypus. And in the case of viviparous, there are many examples there. Okay, macropus means kangaroo, petropus means flying fox, camellias मतलब camel. Okay, and macaca मतलब monkey. Okay, macaca means monkey. Ratus मतलब rat, felish मतलब dog, canis felish मतलब cat, canis मतलब dog, एल्पिस मीन्स एलिफेंट, एक्वस मतलब हॉर्स, डॉल्फिनियस मतलब कॉमन डॉल्फिन, एंड बेलेंटोपेरा मतलब मीन्स शार्क फिश. And last examples are there. Penthrolia means lion, Penthrotiger means tiger. And this is all over the animal kingdoms examples. If you like this video, then tell me this how this videos is there, and please tell me. And because I'm learn these examples, I learn many times, but I cannot tell properly because some things errors are there when I'm talking to you, when I'm saying to you. So that means method. Okay, but you should learn all the example because all examples matter. Thank you.